at 30 feet. The higher...
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, Western Hope County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Rockingham to Floyd, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Pinehurst, Hamlet, Aberdeen, Maxton, Hoffman, Whispering Pines, and Pine Bluff. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern is canceled.